here we go. The stock market has shown robust upward movement in 2024. Both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ post double-digit gains year to date. However, renowned investor Jim Rogers is sounding the alarm. So if we take a look at the S&P 500 year to date, yep, definitely screaming to the upside. We've pretty much had stacked moving averages all the way up. We're coming in right now 5,625, and we started the year in the 4,000. So the S&P 500 screaming to the upside. So the NASDAQ, let's take a look at the Qs. NASDAQ has been screaming to the upside also. Let's keep going. In a recent interview with ET Now, Rogers expressed that he is extremely worried about what lies ahead. The U.S. has not had a problem since 2008, 2009. That's the longest in American history. Oh, we all remember that. The big crash right here. 2008, the financial crash when the government had to bail the banks out using our taxpayer dollars. That's when the money printing started, and you can see right there at the bottom, March of 2009. I remember because when I started trading the stock market, it was 2007, right in this area. So I started off, things were looking good, and then it crashed. But in March of 2009, look at that up move. This is the monthly candle. We have been screaming to the upside. So apparently, that's the longest in American history. Therefore, we are long overdue. But here's the issue. We've been long overdue for a long time. People have been saying for years, especially right in this area. This was 2016, 17, 18. We were all talking about a financial crash. I agree. We are long overdue for sure. With such a grim prediction, reassessing asset allocation may be on the forefront of the average mind. Again, just rebalancing your position, spreading out, diversifying, putting some money in gold, bonds, things like that. Even crypto right here. You can see crypto. Oh, Bitcoin, 59,000. Yeah, what new? Bitcoin's back below 60,000. The rise in global debt, particularly in the United States, supports his concern. According to the latest fiscal data from the Department of Treasury, U.S. national debt now stands at $35.21 trillion. Yes, our debt is out of control. Just take a look at this right here. U.S. national debt, $35 trillion. And that number is going up. Oh my, look how fast our debt goes up. I mean, we are out of control with the spending. You can just go to usdebtclock.org and it is just going nuts. So I am 1,000% agreeing. Our debt out of freaking control, but they created this problem in 2008 when they started printing money to bail out the banks who got us in this mess. That's what started it. So Rogers is the only well-respected investor keeping cash on hand. So he's talking about how he's just sitting on cash, which is never a bad idea. Cash is a position. Warren Buffett, I did a video on him the other day. Berkshire Hathaway is also holding a significant cash reserve. According to the Berkshire's latest quarterly report, the company's cash and cash equivalents reached $224.2 billion. America is definitely long overdue. I agree. Is that going to come soon? I mean, I don't know. If you just look at this chart, man, we are rocking. And like I said, year to date, double-digit returns. But everybody's watching this right here, the NVIDIA earnings. So NASDAQ closes slightly higher on Tuesday, lifted by NVIDIA shares. So if we look at NVIDIA yesterday, let's take a look at it. It was definitely up. Now, this has been channeling around just like the market. It seems like it's up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, are we going to be in for a down move today? I don't know. Earnings is after the market closed today, 4 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. That's the big one. Everybody's waiting for that bad boy. So the S&P 500 rose slightly on Tuesday as investors looked ahead. Yeah, the S&P 500 looks pretty much identical to NVIDIA as far as yesterday, the day before. Look, you can see it here. Again, up, down, up, down, up. Are we going to be down? I don't know, you just saw Bitcoin, just looking at the Bitcoin futures really quickly. Bitcoin futures, yeah, back down below 60,000. Just cannot do anything. Investors are eager to see earnings from top artificial intelligence beneficiary NVIDIA. So people are just waiting. They're waiting for the earnings to come up. And if you just go look at the expected move here of NVIDIA, the expected move is plus or minus 12.5. So what that's telling us is that they're expecting NVIDIA to either pop up 12 plus or drop down 12 plus. We just don't know. And I was talking yesterday on the channel, or well, in the class, not on the channel, about strategies on how to trade earnings. So make sure you check that out. U.S. consumer confidence rose to 6-month high. Yeah, I don't know how. People are confident. Just go to the damn grocery store. Just go fill up your gas tank. Right? People confident. Those numbers are all smoke and mirrors. So every single day, and I day trade live on this channel every single day. We're actually doing a 5-day trading challenge right now. I go to forexfactory.com. It lets you know what's happening for the day, what impact, you know. But again, it's not just the United States, Great Britain, Europe, Swiss franc, all that good stuff. Given NVIDIA's central role in supporting the build-out of AI, the firm's release is seen as the metric for how well AI rally is doing. Everybody's talking about AI. I don't know if y'all know, but you can just go to AI. That's a stock, C3. So take a look at this stock right here. It was down yesterday. It pretty much hasn't done nothing. It's $25 a share. It has earnings coming up. It's in a squeeze. Probably, again, everything's waiting for NVIDIA. If NVIDIA discloses sales or demands weakness, investors may feel pressured to unwind their AI tech bets. Well, you can see AI has been doing nothing but trending down. It hit a high there July 16th. Well, that's its most recent high, and it's been trending down ever since. So I don't know what the hell that dude's talking about. However, most analysts expect the semiconductor firm to beat their forecast. While Wall Street remains largely optimistic, they're expecting NVIDIA to beat earnings. We'll find out. That bad boy is coming up today. It's going to be a mover and a shaker. Make sure you check out our 5-day trading challenge. I'll be trading starting at 8:30 this morning, Central Standard Time, on day trading the futures, and then we're going to get into option swing trading. So I'll see y'all there. Now, if you're interested in learning how to trade the stock market, I highly encourage you to join our 5-day trading challenge right here on this channel. Class or any of the indicators or software that I use on a daily basis, check down below in the description. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.